Hi, my name's Abby, and I'm going to show you how to install BX fonts into Embrilliance. I'm on the Designs by Juju page, and I purchased this font called Nick. So I want to come down to the download file, and I want to click on the BX because I'm using Embrilliance. So I'm going to download the BX. And then I have my computer set up so that I can designate where I want it to go. So for this example, I'm just going to use my desktop and I'll install it there. Then I'm going to go to my desktop and find that folder, and I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to click extract all, and it's going to put the installation files on my desktop. So I'm going to click extract. So here's my installation files under, this is actually an itch to stitch file, but it doesn't matter, it works the same. And here are the four um, files, BX installation files. So I'm going to click on the first one. I'm going to hold my shift button down, click on the last one, and you can see it highlighted all four. And then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click on the copy icon here at the top. Then I'm going to open my Embrilliance. I'm going, after all my fonts install, I'm going to right click, click paste, and I get this message that these four fonts have been installed. And that's how you install fonts into Embrilliance.